How to solve PowerPoint found a problem with content in ppt.tx. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing problems while opening the PowerPoint file, then in this video I will guide you how you can fix this. Normally, when it says PowerPoint found a problem with content, you can click on the repair option in order to repair it. However, if you're not able to repair the file, then what you want to do is, first of all, open PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Now, you want to click on the File option. From here, select Options. Then, you want to click on the Trust Center option. Now, click on Trust Center Settings. Then from the left hand side menu, select Trusted Locations. Now you're going to find all the locations that are treated as trusted sources over here. Click on the option of Add New Location. Then click on Browse. Now from here you want to find the location where your file has been located. Select it and click on the OK option. Once you do that, the location will be added as a trusted source. Now click on the OK option for all of this. Once that is done, open the folder again. Now select the PPT file. When you open it, it will open without any issue, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.